Coordination compounds. First is double salt. These compounds are stable only in crystalline state but lose their identity in solution and break down into simpler components or into their constituent particles or ions. For example, Mohr salt, potash alum. These are the double salts. These salts cannot retain their identity in the solution. Coordination complexes or coordination compounds. These are the molecular compounds which retain their identities even when dissolved in water. वाटर में भी ये टूटते नहीं हैं. They keep as a single unit. They do not give all the simple ions in solution, but instead furnish complex ions with complicated structure. A complex ion exists as a single entity, a single unit, and is generally enclosed in square bracket. KAgCN 2 times, CONH3 5 times BrSO4, CuNH3 4 times. So these are some of the coordination compounds. Now, what is the difference between a double salt and a coordination compound? A double salt usually contains two simple salts in equimolar proportion. But a coordination compound form which they are formed may not be equimolar proportion. They exist only in the solid state. In aqueous solution, they dissociate completely into ions. They exist in solid state as well as in aqueous solution, because even in the solution, the complex ion does not dissociate into ions. They are ionic compounds and do not contain any coordinate bond, जो double salt है. But coordination compounds may or may not be ionic, but complex part always contain coordinate bonds. The properties of double salts are same as those of the constituent compounds. The properties of coordination compounds are different from those of constituents. In a double salt, metal ions show their normal valency. But in a coordination compounds, metal ion form bonds beyond its normal valency. A double salt loses its identity in the solution, but a coordination compound retains its identity in the solution. Now these are the two compounds. This is Mohr salt. It is a double salt. And this is a coordination compound which is copper ammonium salt. Ferrous sulfate solution mixed with ammonium sulfate solution give test for iron, but copper sulfate solution mixed with aqueous ammonia it does not give test for copper, because when we are mixing ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate solution, they are forming a double salt. They are forming a salt, and when this salt is dissolved in water, it gives test for iron, test for ammonia, test for sulfate. But when copper is mixed with ammonia, it forms a complex compounds, and this complex does not ionize in the solution, so it doesn't give test for copper, and it forms a coordination compound. Now some terms related to coordination compounds. First is a central metal atom or ion. A metal atom or ion with which neutral molecules or negative ions or sometimes positive ions are linked in a complex ion, they are called central metal ion. कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड में जिस भी मेटल आयन के साथ कोई न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल, कोई नेगेटिव आयन, कोई पॉजिटिव आयन अटैच होगा, उसको हम सेंट्रल मेटल आयन कहेंगे. And preferably this metal ion is a Lewis acid, which is having tendency to gain a pair of electrons. Coordination compound. It constitutes the central metal ion which is surrounded by a number of ligands which are linked by coordinate bond to the central metal ion. Now what is this ligand? Ligand can be a molecule or an ion having tendency to donate pair of electron to the central metal ion. Ligand behave like a Lewis base. And on the basis of the number of donating centers, ligands are further divided. When a ligand is a single donor atom, it is called unidentate ligand or monodentate ligand. Cl negative water, it is a monodentate ligand.